This is Majboos. Al Majboos. You have to put saffron. Now we need this. Hey, there is some eggs if you need.
Celana-celana bermerek bumbunya, centangnya, lagi terus.
Onion, potato, garlic. Majboos. This is a really nice village. They are mostly farmer. Hello guys, today we want to cook Majboos or Emirati Arabic food. The name is Majboos. It's especially from UAE. We want to cook in an Indonesian village, really nice village. Let's cook together, okay? There is some eggs. Yoo. There is everything that we need for Majboos. This?
Yeah. Yep.
From here?
Yeah.
Easy, yeah?
Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. One more.
Yeah. Okay. And this also. Hello.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Ocha.
Ocha. My name is Hamid. Have you ever tried UAE food, Arabic food?
No yet. This first
Not
time.
yet.
Yes.
Oh, this is the first time. I want to cook Majboos. It's Arabic food, especially from UAE. UAE. Okay.
Okay.
Let's cook together, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you take the knife like this?
Oh gini.
No, no, no.
No.
They cannot use knife like this. You like this. It's okay. But I cannot like that.
Nyanan tuh bisa pas gitu. Oh. Jadi kebalik. Oh. Bu eta kipas rada pajukan. Bu.
Yes, and we need all. Yeah. Yes. You can add tomato and potato. And this also. And now we need this. Emirati Majboos. We can feel the smell. Yes. Okay, now you can add water. Salt. Yes. Kunit. Black pepper, yeah.
Indonesia pedas.
Pedas. Now
MSG.
you need
Ulah rajit masakan batur. Nangkung penuhan noktok bae.
It should be like 20 minutes until boil the chicken. You can add lemon also.
My friend.
Majboos.
Halo,
Hello, what's your name?
Atang.
Atang.
Yeah.
My name is Hamid. Have you ever tried in Arabic food the name Majboos?
No, no, no.
Have you ever tried Majboos Arabic food? No, they never try Majboos.
Yeah.
We want to cook Majboos for you guys today, okay?
Jaga bayain ya.
And you need the basmati rice, and we will add the basmati rice.
Biryani tewa.
And we already put, should be 30 minutes like that. You have to put saffron. That's the kind of chicken. It's already ready. We have to wait for the basmati rice to be ready also, and we want to eat together all. Okay. And we want to check after 30 minutes. We want to check the rice. Yeah.
It's cooking ya, Pak.
Yes. Already ready. As Indonesian language, siap.
Siap lima.
مجبوس الإماراتي كشمش.
Goreng oncom.
Nah, apa sama? Kokosna. Ih, kamari.
Ditanya mamanya apa?
Kuya ditanya nggak ada sih ke Jawa. Awas kalau bohong hidungnya panjang, dede mah masuk ntar hidungnya di luar aja. Masa wa iya?
This is the garlic.
Lagi tanah lapis gitu tadinya. Kalau malam tuh biasa dong ada makan asam sebelah sana.
Dia akan jeruk dulu dengan kulitnya.
Ini Luna di sana.
Yang Desa?
Jangannya nak bukan nak. Oke.
This is Majboos. Al-Majboos. Majboos al-Imarati. We want to eat together today. I already cook Majboos.
Pakai gula.
Bang sengwa.
Ngena,
That's really delicious.
ngena,
Enak.
ngena.
Enak. That's really enak. Enak. It was the first time that I cooked Majboos, Arabic food. It's really delicious. The taste of basmati rice mixed with everything, and even the chicken. It's perfect food. You can try at your home if you want later.
Try. Ayo pegang ini. Majboos
Yeah.
Pasti ya Allah kumai. Kabar tuh ya. Terus nge-review eta wa. Ieu mah aya onta-ontanya wa. Makan bae. Oh, itu aya kamera. For my brother.
Yeah, that's nice.
Alip. Doyan mah udah mamnya Untuk. Mau lihat HP lagi? Ya.
Okay, now already you eat the majboos, Arabic food. How was the food? How was the taste?
Oh, this is very delicious and
You-
mantap.
Did you like?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
like.
that's nice.
Thank you
You're
for
welcome.
cooking.
Yeah, how was the food?
Very good.
Okay, in Indonesian language, bahasa Indonesia.
Oh, bahasa Indonesia. Oke, makanannya sangat enak sekali dan sangat lezat.
Thank you very much.
Ya, oke.
Natur, utur nahun, natur uhun.
Apa sih?
Hatur nuhun.
Hatur
Oh,
nuhun.
hatur nuhun.
Hatur nuhun sampurasun. Wangi. Sedap.
Wangi, sedap,
Enak.
enak, and lezat.
Lezat. Enak, sedap, terus pokoknya mah lezat lah, endol.
Okay, did you like the food? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. It was a really nice adventure today. We cooked majboos al-Emirati. I really enjoyed, and they really enjoyed also. See you in the next adventure. If you like my video, you can subscribe to me. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye.